Have you ever wondered what an aspiring mad scientist like me would like most? Infinite test samples from humans like yourselves. Let me elaborate. This is my friend, the human liver. Let's call him Steve. Steve has a great job, a complex job. He is in charge of maintaining the balance and well-being of an entire human body. As you can see though, Steve isn't doing too good today. Maybe it's because Steve's owner has been working a lot lately and eating lots of pre-processed foods. Maybe he's not going to the gym enough. Maybe he has a huge sweet tooth. Maybe all of those reasons combined. All in all, it's definitely because Steve's owner is having far too much sugar in his diet. And those sugars are becoming a problem for Steve, to the point where he can't do his job properly anymore and might even be in danger. In fact, Steve is suffering from a disease commonly known as fatty liver disease. Now, I want you to consider a couple of hard facts regarding fatty liver disease. First, I want you to take a look at the person to your left, then the person to your right. Every one of these persons has a 1 in 4 chance of suffering from this disease. In fact, every person worldwide has a 1 in 4 chance of suffering from this disease. And the worst part is this number is growing. Secondly, and that's even more depressing, there is no cure or prescribed drug to combat this disease as of today, which is why it is so important to research it. However, we have a big problem. The animal models we use to study fatty liver disease are, well, not human. And as such, they're not the best tools to help generate cures for humans. And that is where my project comes in. By taking a patient's blood cells, reprogramming them, and organizing them, I have created healthy mini-Steves. Those work as closely as possible to a real healthy human liver. I then take my mini-Steves to model fatty liver disease by giving them a diet of sugars and making them sick. Finally, I will be testing experimental drugs on them to see if this can cure them or improve their condition. The great thing about this is that I can generate an infinite amount of mini-Steves from a finite amount of patients' blood. As a result, I'm convinced that this project could help generate more cures to address what promises to be one of the biggest medical challenges of the 21st century. So remember, unless you want to directly contribute to my research, take care of your Steve. I assure you, you'll be glad you did.